There's a bed made to keep you alive during an earthquake, and it responds instantly. As soon as shaking starts, reinforced panels rise and seal you inside a protective chamber built to withstand collapsing walls and ceilings. It's engineered for extreme pressure, not just comfort. Inside are food, water, oxygen filtration, emergency lighting, medical supplies, and a way to signal for help, allowing you to survive for days or even weeks. And the part about this bed that will shock you. But first, if you love your phone more than your mom, ignore this. But if you love your mom more than your phone, hit like, subscribe. But if you love her the most, drop a heart emoji in a comment. Instead of escaping danger, the bed itself becomes the safest place to be.